Welcome all. In this section, we are going to talk about specific section on EPC land, that is Quizland. The concept here is learn from questions. There are so many ways of learning things, but here we are going to learn from questions in the form of questions. There are so many topics related to piping engineering which have been covered here in the form of quizzes, multiple choice questions. Along with the question, you will find the right answers, explanations, everything, and that is totally free, right? You don't have to pay anything to access this content. So let us explore what kind of topics have been covered here. For example, this is the first section, that is basics. Here a lot of things related to basics of oil and gas industry, piping engineering have been covered, right? Each and every topic will be having minimum 10 to 15 to 20 questions, all in the form of multiple choice questions, and you can download this in the form of PDF also. Then this is the second section where we are going to talk about codes and standards, right? A lot of codes which have been used in this industry have been covered here, right? All the codes 31.1, 31.12, right? All the ASTM standards, lot of BPVC, right? So most of the standards which are very commonly used in this industry have been covered. There's so many comparison between ASTM standards, right? You'll find a lot of literature also in the form of articles, right? Along with that, there will be so many questions with each and every question topic. Then there is a section you can download this in the form of PDF for your easy access. Whenever this PDF files will be having all these important links into this. Then pipes and testing. For pipe, we will be having a lot of topic types, manufacturing processes, material selection guideline, dimensional standards, coating and lining. Right, so a lot of things will be there related to pipe. Then testing, all the destructive, non-destructive testings are covered, right? Then again there is a PDF file which you can download and use. Then pipe material, bulk items, right? Basics, and everything you'll find a lot of things which are very important, which everybody should know, that is covered in these sections in the form of questions, answers, explanations, right? So that it is at least you can think about that topic while answering the questions, and then you can look into the explanation so that you can learn in a better way, right? So this section is covering all the types of contracts, right? There will be article also, you can read the literature. If you don't, if you already know, then you can directly go to the questions and you can attempt those. Again, there is a link to PDF file. Another section that is talking about layout and pipe supports, right? All the basics related to primary, secondary supports, plot plan, right? Purpose of supports, type of support, shoe support, clamp support. So all these sections have been covered, right? Types of cranes for maintenance equipment, everything is covered in the form of articles and quiz also. 30%, 90% model reviews, design checking, right? So a lot of things you'll find in this section. Again, there will be a PDF file, you can download it and you can refer. Then next section is talking about valves and specialty items, right? Types of each and every type of valves, you will see the article, quizzes, questions, answers, explanations, so that you can learn it in a better way. Again, you can go to the PDF file and you can download it on your local machines. Then instrumentation and control, why this topic has been covered. There are so many things which piping engineers, they keep on interacting with instrumentation engineers, but they sometimes they don't know in detail. So this section is covered for that. A lot of things, basic to detailed things have been covered. You can read the content literature also so that you can understand the topic. Then you can attempt the quizzes also, right? Similarly, tanks and cooling towers, all type of tanks, right, which we generally see into our projects. Cooling towers, right? Basic understanding type of cooling towers, application, natural draft, induced draft, everything is covered. You can look into the literature part also, and you can attempt the quizzes also. Next topic is exchangers and pumps, right? Again, similarly, working principle, type of pumps, each and every pump, their components, so that you can understand how these pumps are working, Similarly, exchangers, shell and tube, U tube, right? All type of exchangers have been covered. These are the specific detailed topic. Now, short topics have been covered also. There's so many things which we come across in piping engineering, right? So small topics have been covered here. For example, design checking, pipe coupling, reducers, plot plan, right? Bottom nozzles on distillation tower, project life cycle, like what is gasket, ring type gaskets, all type of pump, what kind of pump discharge piping components are there, 3D model review, right? So all these topics have been covered. Impact of carbon in steel, right? Refinery versus petrochemical. So these are all multiple choice questions, quiz type concept, so that you can look into each and everything. Suppose, for example, if you talk about inch dia, right? You must be knowing what is inch dia, but once you go through the question, you, if even if you know those things, you'll refresh those fundamentals. Then what is ASTM standard? What exactly it does, right? So many topics have been covered. Non-destructive testing, scope of piping engineering, right? Sulfide stress corrosion cracking, hydrogen induced cracking, differences between 31.1 and 31.3. Then there are so many standards, API standard clauses. So in this form, all these topics have been covered. So you will see thousands and thousands of questions are available along with the answers and explanations. Even if you select one quiz, it won't be possible for you to cover all the content in 1 year. So this is totally free. You can go through each and every section, and you can attempt the questions and learn from the questions. So that is the main agenda of this section. So this is epcland.com/quizland. So you will see each and everything, each and every topic related to piping engineering. So thank you very much. Thank you for watching. See you in next video.